I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by defining the purpose, audience, and 5 clear objectives for your report. Next, gather and clean data sources, aiming for an 80 to 90% relevance rate. Create a structured outline with headings and subheadings that match objectives. Allocate 30 minutes to review and refine the outline before generating any draft with AI. This planning reduces rewrite cycles and focuses the model on necessary content. Follow this initial workflow to make the AI draft precise and aligned with expectations. When drafting, use specific prompts that include context, examples, and desired tone. Ask the AI to target 250 to 400 words per section for clarity. Request citations, a summary box of 3 key findings, and a list of assumptions. After the first draft, run 3 iterative edits focusing on clarity, data accuracy, and executive summary polish. Use the model to rephrase sentences and convert lists into tables when needed. Keep each prompt focused to avoid off-topic content generation. Finalize the report by verifying every data point against original sources and spreadsheets. Correct any mismatches and log changes in a revision list for transparency. Convert key figures into visuals using 1 chart per major finding and a concise 2-slide summary. Ask the AI to draft a 1-page executive summary and a clear next steps section. Export the final deliverable as PDF and name it Final V1. Then share with stakeholders and request feedback within 5 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.